How old are you?
I'm 14.
14?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And how old is your brother?
He's 16.
Dude, do you know how weird this sounds?
I know it sounds crazy, but I've just, I've always done entrepreneurial things, but I started looking into debt, and this was before I got to you, and I thought I could build the business, and for a while it was working.
Where was like your father that did not allow you to go $21,000 into debt to your brother who's 16 when you're 14? Where's your father? I want to box his ears.